Okay, so welcome, and we've come to the distillery section of the Chateau St.Aubin. St.Aubin, if you want to call it in English, but yeah, so this is where they make all their different kinds of rum. We've got white, we've got white aerosol, gold, dark, black, whiskey, coffee. Yeah, they've got a quite nice range that they make here themselves, and it's got their own distillery on the TV. People are making their one there, picking their choice and fermented. So yeah, we're gonna try some of these out and see what they taste like. Obviously, a bit of a rum drinker myself. We'll have to see what it looks like. So. Okay, so the first one that we're going to be trying is the Gold Premium, which is that one there. So obviously we're going to see what this premium tastes like, and I'll let you know. So begin with the first one. Bottoms up. Yeah, the taste isn't too bad. I mean, it's got a bit of a Captain Morgan's kind of taste to it, a bit of a little hint of cinnamon and that at the end of it. As it goes down, a little bit of a burn about here, but then it smooths out as it goes through the stomach. So, not a bad one to start with. So, on to the next one. We've got the Épices de Chauffe, so basically heat of the heart. That's this bottle here. So, let's have a look what this one's going to taste like. Cheers. Cheers. Nah, that one's a good one. I mean, the difference between that one and the first one, the Gold Premium, I'd have to say that there's a bit more of a hint to it that gives it a little bit more texture in the palate. As it goes down, obviously it's the same as every rum is going to be anyway, so yeah, not too bad on that one. That's probably the winner at the minute so far. Okay, so obviously, little side note, we're straying for the rum, and they have a gin that I'm going to try as well. A premium distilled gin. You can see there. Well, apparently I can drink it straight, so that's what I'm going to get a taste from. I'll have to see. Obviously, buzzes right there. Cheers. There we go. You know what, yeah? For a gin, to be doing that straight, normally, I'd be like, nah. Like, I've been through the times of doing Bombay Sapphire and all that kind of stuff, and it's never worked doing it straight. But that for a gin to do straight hasn't been too bad. It sits on the palate quite well, like I've said with the other ones. Gives it a little bit of a stingy texture to the tongue. When it goes down well like any other drink. All I can say is, after all this, I'm probably going to be a little bit steamer. But we'll keep rolling the videos up and we'll keep going, and yeah, enjoy the rest of your ride. Anyways, back to the rum. So the next rum with preference that we're going to have is Café, which is obviously for the English people, coffee. Saint-Aubin, they're all Saint-Aubin anyway, 1819 established, Mauritius, so gotta see what this one's going to taste like as well. Prost. You know what, yeah? For a rum that has coffee flavour, that hits the spot. The only reason why I pulled a face like that is because I'm not really much of a coffee drinker. I don't like the taste. But that, if you like your coffee, that is a good rum to go for.